Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we are going to learn lab program 21. Write a program to read a list of elements. Modify this list so that it does not contain any duplicate elements. That is, all elements occurring multiple times in the list should appear only once. Let us write a function definition with the keyword def. And here I'm going to write the name of the function as dup, that is duplicate, and inside of the bracket I'm going to pass list as parameter and put colon, so as per the syntax of function definition. Now with the indentation I'm going to write one more variable called new list is equal to, and I'm going to write empty square bracket that creates a new empty list. Now I'm going to use iterative statement for I in range of length of list, and close the bracket and put colon over here. And with the indentation we are going to check out the condition if list of a not in new list, and then put colon. If this condition is true, then new list with indentation dot append, and inside of the bracket we are going to write list of a and then close the bracket. Now with the alignment of this for loop, we are going to return this new list, return new list. Now function definition is over. Next we are going to write the next list with alignment of this definition. Here I'm going to write list is equal to empty square bracket creates an empty list. Now I'll use the variable called n is equal to, and it is of type integer, and inside the input statement I'm going to ask the user to enter the elements. How many elements? Close the bracket, and here ask the user to enter the element using print statement. Here I'm going to write in a double quotation mark, enter the elements, and close the bracket over here. Now we'll use iterative statement for I in range of this n and put colon as per the syntax of iterative statement. Now with the indentation I'm going to take a variable a is equal to, it is of type integer, and I'll take input and then close this bracket. Here I'm going to write list dot append, and here in a bracket we are going to write a. So as and when the values will be entered, these values will be appended to the list. Now with the alignment of this for loop I'm going to write print statement, and here in a double quotation mark I'm going to write the numbers in list, end the double quotation mark, put comma, and write list and close the bracket. Next I'm going to write print statement, and in a double quotation mark I'm going to write list without duplicate element is, and the double quotation mark, put comma, and then call this particular function. Here I'm going to write dup, that is duplicate of list, close this bracket. Now let us check out the result and flow of this particular program. Here I'm going to write output. So when we execute this program, it starts executing by creating a empty list. Now n is equal to int input, how many elements it is going to ask the user, how many elements. So first of all, I'm going to enter 4. So 4 will be stored in the variable n. Next, I'll ask the user to enter the elements. Here I'm going to print enter the elements. For example, here I'm going to enter 1, 2, 2 and 3 and press enter. Next, it is going to take input through this iterative statement one by one through this input statement, and it will get appended to the list which was empty earlier. Now list is holding these values 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now after this we have got print statement, the number in list, so these values will be printed. Here it is going to print the numbers in list will be printed as it is, and list consisting of what, 1 2 2 3. So here it is going to print 1 2 2 3. The next statement is list without duplicate element is will be printed, and here there is a function call. As soon as the interpreter of the Python encounters with this particular function call, control directly jumps to the function definition, and it is going to create a new list which is empty. Here it is going to create a new list which is empty. Next, using iterative statement for I in range len of list. So it is going to iterate through all these 4 elements because we have used this particular list. Next, if list of A means list of 0. List of 0 consisting of what? 1. Not in new list. Here new list is empty right now, hence this is true. Why? Because list of 0 consisting of 1 is not present in a new list, hence it is true. If this is true, then new list dot append list of 0, that is 1 will be appended to new list. So now new list is holding value 1. Next, once again control transfers to for loop by incrementing the value of I by 1. Now I value is 1. If list of 1 not in new list. Now list of 1 is what? List of 1 consisting of 2. Here 2 is not in new list because new list consisting of 1. So 2 is not present. It is going to append because this condition is true. Once this is true, then it is going to append 2 to the new list. So 2 will be appended to the new list. Once again control transfers to for loop by incrementing the value of I by 1. Now I value is 2. We will check if list of 2. List of 2 consisting of what? 2. 2 not in new list. So here you can observe in a new list 2 is already present. So hence it is going to return value false. Once this is false, then this number 2 will not be appended to the new list. Control once again transfers to for loop by incrementing the value of I by 1. Now I value is 3. Next, if list of 3 consisting of what? 3. Not in new list. Here in a new list 3 is not present, so hence this is true. Now once it is true, then it is going to append list of 3, that is 3 will be initialized to new list. Here 3 is equated to the new list. So here it has removed the duplicate element and it has returned only once. Whenever we use range function, it is exclusive of the length of this list. Here you can observe we have got 4 elements. So 4 if I write over here, so less than 4 is 3. So it is going to iterate through 0 to 3. So hence it is going to stop at 3. The control comes out of this entire for loop and it is going to return the new list. Once again the control jumps to the print statement. It is going to print list without duplicate element is. Here in place of dupe list, it is going to return the new list, which is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now it's time to go for executing this program. Let us execute and check out the result. Now we have come to VS Code. Let us click on new file. Here I'm going to type lab21.py and press enter. Here you can observe we have come to lab21.py file. Now let us define the function with the keyword def, and name of the function is dupe, that is duplicate, and inside the bracket I'm going to pass list as parameter and put colon and press enter. And now onwards I'm going to fast forward this particular part of the video so that we can save our time. Now let us save this file by pressing Ctrl S and click on run, click on start debugging, click on Python file, debug the currently active file. And here it is asking the user to enter how many elements. For example, I'm going to enter 4 and press enter. Now it is asking the user to enter the elements. I'm going to enter 1, 2, 2 and then 3 and I'll press enter. Here you can observe that the entered list consisting of 1, 2, 2 and 3. Here 2 has appeared twice. It has duplicated, so that the duplicate has been removed here in the next list, that is 1, 2, 3. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. And if you want to check out this program along with the flowchart, then the link is given in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and we'll see you in the next video.